Namaste and welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today is a very special day. I have a very special guest. This is Ben Fisher and his wife Rose. Both are from Seattle. And so kind of them, they came over to our place and they would like to see a live cookery demo of South Indian food. And they are recently married. They got married on New Year's Day. So let all of us wish them a very, very happy married life and a lovely future for the both of you. Okay. So today I have prepared a regular South Indian meal with a few extra dishes just to show them what it is. So as a starter we had some rasam and some allam and papad. Now I am going to show him how to make adai, chutney and sambar rice. And after that, some other preparations I have already done. I will show it to you later on as we go.
No, it's perfect. Thank you.
Good.
I was surprised when you said that you are okay with South Indian spices.
I love South Indian spices. I mean, sometimes in Belgium, when you're eating Indian food, it's just not, the spice isn't there. I think they sort of prepare it for a more Western audience, and it's not the
Are
same.
you okay with it?
Yeah.
That's great. He's the one who you also have developed that taste, I suppose.
He's the one who introduced me to basically everything in India, like the food, just the country, like.
But you won't know much in one trip. You have to make
Yeah, I mean,
several trips to, because
Yeah.
every part of India has got its own cuisine,
Yeah.
its culture.
did he already tell you, like, the first time we came to India 3 years ago, we started in Varanasi.
We just, the first time we came to India, the
Yeah.
first city we went was
I have
Varanasi.
soaked 1 cup of rice. It has been soaking for about 2 hours now. And this is 1/4 cup of chana dal, 1/4 cup of tur dal, 1/4 cup of moong dal, and 2 tablespoons of urad dal. So all the dals, rice and dal, equal proportions. And 4 dry red chilies I have soaked so that it will be easy to grind. So we just drain it and make it into a batter without adding too much water. Rose, what's your favorite dish in South Indian and vegetarian? Because I told you we are strict vegetarians.
I love like the chickpeas, like
Chickpeas,
all the
okay.
stuff which is like very
Like that.
specifics of
Uh-huh.
what they're called.
But do you like idli or dosa more?
Dosa?
Dosa.
Yeah. Of course. You know why?
Here I actually asking what I'm making for breakfast. Idli. You can know from his face. Then I said, okay, dosa, everyone's happy.
The reason also why I really like it is because it has potatoes in it, right?
Which one?
Potatoes, often
For
potatoes.
masala
The
dosa.
masala dosa. Oh yes, it does. It does. Okay.
Yeah. And so that one is the one I love the most.
You know the masala.
Yeah.
A little bit of this hing powder.
Mm.
Some salt. You also wanted something with methi in it. I remember in your first mail you had written.
Yes.
Right? So I am going to add these fresh methi leaves. Just I wash them. Just tear them up with your fingers like this. No need to chop it fine or anything.
So is Methi in season all year?
Winter is the time when we get
Okay.
good methi. This is the time when we get good vegetables, everything. Methi, this gajar. You must have a lot of gajar halwa, the red carrot.
Yeah.
Yes, so that is in season now.
We had a
And
halwa
also-
with bottle gourd in Jaipur that
What
was
did you have?
bottle gourd halwa.
Lauki
Yeah,
halwa.
that
Oh
was
yes.
very nice.
And I'm also adding some fresh coconut to this. Okay. And some chopped onions. Okay. Now we'll just mix all this and allow it to rest just for about 15-20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make our sambar rice.
Mm.
You can do this immediately too, but when it rests for a while, it tastes better. So you just keep this aside. For the sambar rice, I am adding the rice and dal. 1 cup of rice and half cup of tur dal. We'll just keep this and then let it get.
The Belgian Cancer Registry, so they do like research on cancer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What have you studied? In journalism, you specialize something?
No, I did physiotherapy, so I don't know.
Wow.
You have a lot of physiotherapists here?
No,
Like
no,
it's-
I used to have a lot of back pain and then,
Oh, okay.
especially during the COVID season.
Yeah.
So, a wonderful physiotherapist helped me just on a Zoom call.
Wow.
She was
Okay.
great with me. It was wonderful.
Yeah. So that's what I studied. Add a bit of garlic to this. Just allow it to. So this pressure cooker is an integral part of our kitchen. Without a pressure cooker, most of us won't be cooking company.
Well, it's interesting. In Belgium, I don't think you can find this style of pressure cooker. So I think I'm gonna buy one and ship it home.
I have 3-4 sizes of cookers.
Oh wow!
7.5 liters, 3 liters, 1 liter, depending on what I'm cooking. So I just shift this to this side. So for the sambar now, first I'll make the masala. So just a teaspoon of oil and this coriander seeds. Typical spice box. I like all this. So this is chana dal, a little bit of urad dal, some black pepper, cumin seeds, a little bit of fenugreek, that is methi. Don't mind, right? Some dried chilies and this cinnamon and cloves.
But now you are aware of all our Indian cooking items.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
It's good now because he's familiar with all this. Otherwise,
Yeah.
if somebody who's totally new, they will be bewildered by this
And so
variety of spices.
Those are the Hindi words that I know for different spices.
Oh,
and
that's
for
great.
different.
And of course, coconut. South Indian cooking always calls for coconut. And the tip to get very tasty sambar is to just add a few onions to this masala paste also. We add the onions and in the gravy, but apart from that, you add it to this. We're going to grind this into a paste.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so then it brings out the flavor very well. Just we'll add a little bit of oil here and vegetables ready for the sambar. So you can use combination of whatever you have at home. Beans are familiar, right? Yellow pumpkin, capsicum, French beans, and some green peas is also included, and just one bean. Lightly sauteed here. And we use a lot of tamarind or tamarind. So that we soak in water so that it becomes soft. And for sambar, rasam, kara korambu, if you have eaten sarana, you might know.
Yep.
The one which is spicy, not any dal in it, that kind of a sambar. Really spicy and thick. Okay. For all that, we use this food. Nowadays, you get tamarind paste. It should be available in Seattle also. I have a packet too. I can show you. So if you don't want to do this, you can just use 1 teaspoon, depending on the quantity of sambar or rasam. That makes it very convenient, like this one. So now we just with this crystal salt, not all salt.
And is that different from very fine salt?
Yeah, that is different. When there's a liquid, I use that because it will get dissolved.
Okay.
And if I'm making a dry curry, then I use this powder, table salt. Special sambar masala which I make at home. I store it for
nice.
about 2 hours. Have a
Wow.
So this has dhania, chilies, pepper, jeera, a whole lot of ingredients, some nuts. It smells great.
Yeah, you really smell the coriander.
That was hing powder we used at that time. These are hing cubes.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so which can add just one or two.
Wow.
We will get this one.
Turmeric, so it's very, very yellow. They combine it with
Oh,
turmeric
okay,
for some
okay,
reason.
okay. Yeah, you get different times you get hing paste also
Mm.
and things like that. Now you have to just allow this to cook. And that's done, you mix the two. Who loves cooking and his wife Rose vouches for it. She loves his cooking. So he wants to try out how to make an adai. Go ahead, Ben, it's all yours. Yeah, right in the center. Good. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Good. Very good, very good.
It need not be too thick. It can be a bit thick.
Okay.
No, unlike a roast. That's perfect.
First of them
Now
clear.
center fold. That's it. That's it. Oil. Superb. All around and a little bit in the center. Hey. That's done. You posted in your journal, Ben's Adai, okay? Easy to pronounce too, Adai.
Adai.
Adai. Now you just keep, slightly after a few minutes, check the underside if it is done. You can see this, it starts coming up, can you see? You have to keep adjusting the flame a little bit.
Leave it first to the side.
Now try to flip it up. You take it so that, hold it like this and let the adai come say till here.
Got
Then
it.
it won't. Superb, excellent. Flip, flip, flip.
And another little bit of oil around.
And in the middle or no?
A little bit. Little helps to cook it well. That's done.
And done.
Well done. No, he is a beginner, never even seen an adai earlier. And he made a perfect adai. Congratulations, great. Gently at the side, take it first at the sides all around so that you're sure you can lift it up. And be sure that adai comes little into that stem. Then it won't break. Yeah, perfect. That's it. Turn it over. It's okay. Yupla,
Right.
that's super. Excellent. Come. So now are we ready to eat? Come.
Come there for on work.
I was traveling. I like Thailand a lot. It's a wonderful, wonderful place. And we were staying at the same hostel. And
Okay,
we
that's how you met.
and we met them.
Yeah. And then later on in our travels, we did some traveling together in Laos. And then he came with me to Belgium, and then COVID started.
Well, no,
and
then we went to India. Laos to India.
Laos, India, and then Egypt. And then we
Back
went
to
back to
Belgium.
Brussels, and then COVID, and then now
And we
we're
got stuck together.
So COVID brought you together.
exactly. Yeah.
There was not much of a choice for us, a chance for us to meet anyone else during COVID. So.
Very nice. Yeah, the right choice.
Yeah, I think so.
Very nice. Just had our meal and now enjoying some soup also. And yes, I think I should ask Ben and Rose, how did you like the South Indian food?
It was incredible. I mean, we've eaten a lot of South Indian food in India and outside of India, and this you made amazing home style things that we're never going to taste anywhere else.
Exactly.
So thank you for inviting us into your
I
home.
think I should thank him because I enjoyed serving you people. I love having family over, so it was just like as if my own children had come home.
Oh,
Thank
thank you.
It's nice.
Thank you.
Thank you for enjoying the food too. Thank you so much.
Come to Hyderabad every time.
Yes, every
Yes.
time.
Yeah.
Promise.
Yes.
This is a promise. You might.
Yes.
You might.
You'll hear a knock on your door next.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Most